Hello students, good morning. So welcome back to the maths class. So today we will do this topic, the exercise 9.2. So the very first question of this exercise is I am reading this question. So very first question it is, Haji, find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001. ठीक है जी, सम फाइंड करना बच्चे 1 to 2001. So its first term is 1, second term is 3. अपन लेने odd integers. So third is 4, then 5, then 7 and so on. लास्ट ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 2001 ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਆਊਗਾ 1999 and next is 2001, right? So this is the resulting sequence. You have to find the sum of this sequence. Okay ji, as you see this is an AP, so its first term is 1, its common difference is 2 and its last term AN is equal to 2001, right? First of all we have to find the value of n here. To find the value of an, you can use this formula a plus n minus 1 into d. It is equal to 2001. So put the value 1 plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 2001. So we will get this 1 इधर ले जाओ, 2000 हो गया, 1000 हो गया. So n की वैल्यू ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 1001 ਆ ਗਈ. So this is the value of n here. n भी हैगा ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ, a भी हैगा, d भी हैगा. Now you can find the value of Sn. As you know, the formula of Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus last term. ठीक है जी, a plus last term is an. ठीक है. So when we put n is equal to 1001 over 2 into first term is 1 plus 2001. So when we simplify this, this becomes 101 into 1001, right? So when you simplify, when you solve this, when you multiply these two, we will get the answer. Your answer will be, हाँ जी बच्चे, your answer will be 1002001, right? So this is your right answer for this question. That is the sum of the integers between from 1 to 2001. This is very easy question. Now next question bache, question number 2 is find the sum of all natural numbers. Find the sum of all natural numbers lying between 100 and 1000 which are multiple of 5. It is also very easy question. Question number 2, हाँ जी, lying between 100 and 1000 and which are divisible by 5. तो बच्चे the resulting sequence जो ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ होगी 105 is the first term, 110, 115 and so on, and your last term is 995. So you have to find the sum of this sequence. ठीक है जी. So as you see, its first term is 105, its common difference is 5 and its last term, that is nth term, is 995. So when we use this formula a plus n minus 1 into d, it is equal to 995. So put the value here, 105 plus n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 995. So when we simplify this, this becomes it is when we subtract these two, what will we get? We will get हाँ जी, जब ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਕਰੋਗੇ 995 ਚੋਂ 105 ਮਾਈਨਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਬੱਚੇ 890 and 890 divided by 5 ਆਪਾਂ ਸਿੰਪਲੀਫਾਈ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਕਿੰਨਾ, ਜਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਿਵਾਈਡ ਕਰੋਗੇ 5 ones ਦਾ 5 3, ठीक है जी. So when we simplify, the value of n is 179. 179 is the value of n, means there are 179 terms in this sequence. Now you have to find the sum of all natural numbers, means the sum of all natural numbers means Sn find करना बेटा जी. Sn the formula, similar question, this is a plus l, a plus first term plus last term, right? So when we put the value here, 179 by 2, this is 105 plus 995. When we simplify this becomes ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਐਡ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਬਣ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 0, this is ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ 1100 I think ਕਿੰਨਾ ਬਣ ਜਾਊਗਾ 1100, right? So 1100 ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਿੰਪਲੀਫਾਈ ਜਦੋਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ 179 into 550. तो ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸਿੰਪਲੀਫਾਈ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆਨਸਰ ਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ 98450, 98450. So this is the right answer for this question number 2 here of this exercise 9.2. It's very easy question as you see. Next question बच्चे, third question. In an AP the first term is 2 and the sum of first 5 terms is 1/4 of next 5 terms. Show that 20th term is minus 112, right? Show that its 20th term is minus 112. So beta, it is very easy question to understand. In an AP, I am reading this again. In an AP, the first term is 2. First term is 2 here. So I am writing here question number 3. The first term is 2. First term 2 है, ठीक है जी. And according to the question, the sum of first 5 terms is 1/4. देखो बेटा जी, तो देखो फर्स्ट 5 टर्म्स है A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. First 5 terms the sum 1/4 of next 5 terms the sum, that is A6, A7, A8, A9, A10. So this is the question. This is the 1/4 of the next 5 terms. You have to find the 20th term. Yes. So as you see beta ji, this is called the sum of first 5 terms. Means you can write this as S5 and 1/4. और इनू की लिख सकते ਆਪਾਂ इनू लिख सकते S10 minus S5. ध्यान ਨਾਲ देखो S10 minus S5 लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है. अब पहलियां 5 टर्म्स है, अगलियां 5 टर्म्स है, ठीक है जी. सो अपने कोल S5 आ गया ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ. ਹੁਣ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕ੍ਰਾਸ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਰ ਦੋ, ਇਹ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ 4S5 S10 S5. ਸੋ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਇੱਧਰ ਸ਼ਿਫਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਬੱਚੇ, ਬਣ ਗਿਆ 5 S5 S10. This is the equation. Now you can put the values here. Formula use करेंगे ਆਪਾਂ. You can use the formula here of Sn. So this is S5. S5 का formula use करना बच्चे अपना. S5 की होता है ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ पता है 5 by n by 2, 2 into a, 2 into a means this 2, that is 4, plus n minus 1 into d means 4 into d, right? d ਆਪਾਂ फाइंड करना है, ठीक है जी, is equal to. Similarly आप आ जाएगा ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 10 by 2, 2 into a plus 9 into d. ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸਿੰਪਲੀਫਾਈ ਕੀਤਾ ਆ 5 ਕੱਟ ਗਿਆ, 5 ਨਾਲ 5 ਆ ਵੀ ਕੱਟ ਗਿਆ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸਿੰਪਲੀਫਾਈ ਜਦੋਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 2 ਵੀ ਕਾਮਨ ਆ ਕੇ ਕੱਟਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਬੱਚੇ. ਜਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸਿੰਪਲੀਫਾਈ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਇੱਥੇ 10 plus 10d is equal to 4 plus 9d. So this d is equal to minus 6. d ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਬੇਟਾ ਜੀ, the value of d is equal to minus 6. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ d ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ minus 6 ਆ ਜਾਊਗੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ simplify करोगे, ठीक है जी. Now you can find the value of A20. A20 means A plus 19 into D. So A is 2 plus 19 into D is minus 6. So beta ji, you will get this value 2 minus 114. So the value of this is minus 112. So it is proved that A20 is equal to minus 112. So this is your right answer which is for this question number 3. It is easy to understand. Okay. Next question. Next question was how many terms of an AP ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਆ ਤੇ ਇਸ AP ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਟਰਮਸ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਇਸ AP ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ are needed to give the sum minus 25. It is also very easy question. So firstly I am writing the sequence here. Question number 4 sequence write लिखो जी ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ sequence ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਬੱਚੇ -6 -11/2 -6 -11/2 next है कि ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ -5 and so on -5 and so on. This is the sequence and it is given that its sum is -25 means Sn ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ -25 to see n the value find करनी है how many terms. So it is understood that its first term is -6 and its common difference is -11/2 plus 6, that is 1/2. Common difference is 1/2 which and it's you have to use this formula Sn is equal to -25 is given. You can use this formula n/2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to -25, right? So ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ value ਪਰ ਆ ਗਈ ਬੱਚੇ n/2 2 into a means -12 plus n minus 1 into d is a half is equal to -25. ਜਦੋਂ 2 ਨੂੰ cross multiply ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਅੰਦਰ multiply ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਇਹ ਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ -12n ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ plus n square ठीक है plus n square minus n over 2 ठीक है and this is equal to -50. So again I am taking this LCM. We will get -24n plus n square minus n is equal to -100. So beta ji ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇਕੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਬਣ ਜੂਗੀ n square minus 25n plus 100 is equal to 0. ਤੇ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਸਿੰਪਲੀਫਾਈ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇਹਦੇ ਫੈਕਟਰ ਬਣ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਫੈਕਟਰ ਆ ਜਾਣਗੇ n minus 20 and n minus 5 it is equal to 0 ਤੇ n ਦੀਆਂ ਦੋ ਵੈਲਿਊਜ਼ ਆਉਣਗੀਆਂ 20 and 5 ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ so 20 भी हो सकती है 5 भी हो सकती है. The value of n is the number of terms. How many terms? There are 20 terms or 5 terms are there, right? So this is the question number 4, right? Yes, now question number 5 is question number 5 the exercise 9.2 question number 5. I am reading this question. The question is in an AP if pth term is 1 by q and qth term is 1 by p, if pth term is 1 by q and qth term is 1 by p, right? You have to find the sum of you have to show that the SPQ means you have to show that the sum of PQ terms is equal to half PQ plus 1. You have to show this the sum of PQ terms where P is not equal to Q. So this is the question. So let us solve this question. This question is also very easy. Pth term means A plus P minus 1 into D. You can write it like this. Let A be the first term and D is the common difference of this AP. So A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to 1 by Q, and from this equation we will get A plus q minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by p. Right? Let it is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. On subtracting 1 and 2, what will we get? First minus second. First और second ਨੂੰ subtract कर दो बच्चे. So what will we get? First minus second ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀਤਾ. ठीक है? First minus second. ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ first minus second ਕੀਤਾ, a cancel हो गया. Then you will get this p minus q into d is equal to, हाँ जी, 1 by q minus 1 by p. That is p minus q over pq. So when we simplify, we will get d ਦੀ value 1 by pq ਆ d ਦੀ value ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 1 by pq ਆ ठीक है जी. So after putting the value of d in equation number 1, we will get this a plus p minus 1 into 1 by pq, ठीक है जी, is equal to 1 by q. So when we simplify this, we will get this 1 by q, and उधर लाके बच्चे this is minus 1 by q plus 1 by pq. So when we simplify this, you will get the value of a is also 1 upon pq. a की value भी 1 upon pq आ गई, d की value भी 1 upon pq आ गई. Now you have to find spq. Now spq means you can use the formula of Sn, that is n by 2 means pq by 2. ठीक है जी. 2 into a plus a की वैल्यू हैगी ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 1 over pq plus n minus 1. n minus 1 means pq minus 1 into pq minus 1 into d, 1 by pq. ठीक है जी. So when we simplify this, we will get the answer. जब तुम इन्हें सिंपलीफाई करोगे बेटा जी, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ आंसर आ जाएगा. हाँ जी, इन्हें मल्टीप्लाई कर दो बेटा. pq कटेगा, 2 कट गया तो 1 रह गया, प्लस दिस इज pq कट गया तो 1 रह गया बच्चे. ठीक है जी. 2 into a, so this is 1. ਇੱਥੇ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ pq ਕੱਟ ਗਿਆ. ਸੋ ਇੱਥੇ ਚਲੋ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸਿੰਪਲੀਫਾਈ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. pq/2 ਲਿਖ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ. ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਐਲਸੀਐਮ ਲੈ ਕੇ pq ਕੱਢ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਐਲਸੀਐਮ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ pq ਆ ਗਿਆ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਥੇ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ 2 plus pq minus 1. ऐदा कर लो, pq ਨਾਲ pq कैंसिल हो गया ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆ ਗਿਆ half 1 plus pq. So beta ji, this is your right answer. Your answer will be spq is equal to half 1 plus pq. This is your right answer. ठीक है. So this is the proof of question number 5. Okay जी. Yes, question number 6 is if the sum of a certain number of terms of an AP 25, 22, 19 and so on is 116, find the last term. Right? Find the last term. Means Sn ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ 116, you have to find Am. So first of all, you should use the formula here. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2 into a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? So you can put the value here 116. N you have to find it, and the value of a is 25, so this becomes 50. So value of d is minus 3, so we will get this is n minus 1 into minus 3. Okay, so when you simplify this, this becomes 232. Right? 232 is equal to 50n. n ਨਾਲ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਰ ਦੋ ਤੇ ਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ minus 3n square plus 3n, right? So we will get this value 3n square. This is minus 53n plus 232 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation, and you can easily solve this quadratic equation to find the value of n बच्चे। हाँ जी बच्चा, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮਿਡਲ ਟਰਮ ਸਪਲਿਟਿੰਗ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਤਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਣਦੀ ਹੈ ਮਿਡਲ ਟਰਮ ਸਪਲਿਟਿੰਗ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ 3n square minus 29n minus 24n plus 232 is equal to 0। ਇੱਥੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕਾਮਨ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਬੱਚੇ n ਕਾਮਨ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ। ਇੱਥੇ ਬਚ ਗਿਆ 3n minus 29, ਇੱਥੇ ਬੇਟਾ ਜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 28 common आ रहा है, this becomes 3n minus 29, right? So you will get this n is equal to 8 or n is equal to 29 by 3, so which is to be rejected because n cannot be, ठीक है जी। So this is to be rejected, so the value of n is 8। now you have to find the value of a8, right? On तुसी a8 find करना बच्चे, it is very easy। so to find a8, that is हाँ जी, a8 is equal to a plus 7d। so the value of a is 25 plus 7 into d is minus 3, so the value is 25 minus 21, that is equal to 4। so the 4 is the right answer। 4 is the last term of this sequence, right? So this was question number 6 bache। now let us take the question number 7। your question number 7 is, I am reading this question, find the sum to n terms of then AP whose kth term is 5k plus 1। kth term तो देती है, you have to find the sum to n terms, means Sn find करना है, Sn find करना है, sum to n terms। so first of all बच्चे you have to put k is equal to 1। firstly find a1, a1 is 6। when we put k is equal to 2, the value of a2 is कितनी आ जाएगी, a2 की वैल्यू 11, ठीक है जी। 2 फिल किया, ਜਦੋਂ 3 फिल किया तो ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ वैल्यू आ गई बच्चे 16 and so on, ठीक है। so the resulting sequence is 6, 11, 16, so on। this is then AP whose first term is 6 and common difference is 5 बच्चे। so you have to find Sn here। Sn the formula of the n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? so the value is n by 2, this is 2 into a means 12 plus n minus 1 into d is 5। so when we simplify this becomes n by 2, this is 12 minus 5, that is 7 plus 5n। so this is your right answer। this is the sum to n terms। this is the right answer for this question number 7। now let us take the question number 8 here। if the sum of n terms of an AP is, हाँ जी question number 8 है ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ, if the sum of n terms of an AP is equal to, and this is Pn plus Qn square, Pn plus Qn square, this is the value of Sn beta, where P and Q are constants। so find the value of D, common difference find करना है। so I think we have done such type of question in the example। so first of all we have to find S1 बच्चे। when we put n is equal to 1, we will get P plus Q, that is S1। and as you know the value of S1 is equal to A1, so the first term is P plus Q। now when we put n is equal to 2, we will get S2. So S2 is 2p plus 4q. 2p plus 4q. So it means S2 ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਫਸਟ ਟੂ ਟਰਮਸ ਦਾ ਸਮ ਮੀਨਸ A1 plus A2 ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 2p plus 4q. Now whenever you find the value, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਬਟ੍ਰੈਕਟ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਸੈਕੰਡ ਚੋਂ ਫਸਟ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ, ਸੈਕੰਡ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਫਸਟ, ਇਟ ਗਿਵਸ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਬੱਚੇ, it gives A2 is equal to P plus 3Q. P plus 3Q. That is the value of A2. ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ P plus 3Q, that is the value of A2. Now whenever you find the common difference D, that is A2 minus A1, so what will we get? This value is a minus a ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆਨਸਰ ਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ 2Q. So 2Q is the right answer. 2Q is the common difference for the this question number 8 beta. Now question number 9. Question number 9, we have done such similar questions in this example, in the example. So let us do this example, question number 9 here. Question number 9 is the sums of n terms of two APs are in the ratio 5n plus 4 is to 9n plus 6. Find the ratio of 18th term. So as you see, according to question, Sn over Sn dash, it is equal to, its ratio is given, that is 5n plus 4 over 9n plus 6. So this is the ratio given to you and you have to find A18 over A18 dash. आप find करना बच्चे, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਪ ਦਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ. Okay ji, so there are two APs. So let A1 is the first term and D1 is the common difference of first AP and A2 is the first term and D2 is the common difference of second AP. So according to the question, we will get this n by 2 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 over n by 2 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2 is equal to 5n plus 4 over 9n plus 6. So n by 2 cancel हो जाएगा बच्चे. After that you have to take 2 common from numerator and denominator. When we take 2 common, we will get a1 plus n minus 1 by 2 into d1, right, over 2 into a2 plus n minus 1 over 2 into d2, right. So 2 not 2 cancel हो जाएगा बच्चे. So which is equal to 5n plus 4 over 9n plus 6. This is the ratio, right. ਹੁਣ ਦੇਖੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਧਰ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਦੇਖੋ, ਆਪਾਂ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈਗਾ. We have to find a1 plus 17 d1 over a2 plus 17 d2. ਆ ਚੀਜ਼ ਆਪਾਂ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਬੇਟਾ. So now we have to compare this with this expression. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੋ ਬੱਚੇ a1 ਇੱਥੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ 17 ਹੈ ਉੱਥੇ n minus 1 by 2 ਹੈ. So on comparing we will get n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 17. So from this we will get the value of n is 35. So put this value of n is equal to 35 in this equation, we will get ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਆ ਜੂਗੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. This is a1 plus 17 is 35 पर another 17 d1 is over a2 plus 17 d2 is equal to, so put the value here, n is equal to 35 beta. So this is 5 into 35 plus 4 over 9 into 35 plus 6. So when we simplify this, this becomes 179 over ਕਿੰਨਾ ਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਥੇ 321, right? So so this is your right answer. This is your right answer. That is the value of A18 over A18 dash. So this is the right answer for this question. Means this is the ratio of 18th term of this 18th term of these two APs. Okay ji. So similar question we have done in the example here. You can easily understand this topic. Okay. Now next question number 10 is if the sum of p terms of AP is equal to the sum of first q terms, then find the sum of first p plus q terms. Now question number 10 is हाँ जी ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ values ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ the sum of first p terms is equal to means according to the question the sp is equal to sq. This is given to you. So let a small a be the first term and d be the common difference of this AP. Okay ji. So you have to find sp plus q. sp plus q ਤੁਸੀਂ find ਕਰਨਾ. So according to the question, according to the formula, this becomes p by 2 2a plus p minus 1 into d p minus 1 into d is equal to q upon 2 2a plus q minus 1 into d, right? So 2 ਨਾਲ 2 cancel हो जाएगा बच्चे से इस ਨੂੰ ओपन करांगे ਆਪਾਂ so it becomes 2ap plus p into p minus 1 that is ਇਹਨੂੰ ओपन करने में p square minus p into d, ठीक है जी, is equal to 2aq plus q square minus q into d. ਸੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਧਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਵਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ 2a p minus q, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਪਲਸ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਥੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸਿੰਪਲੀਫਾਈ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਬਚੇਗੀ p square minus p minus q square plus q. ਇੱਧਰ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਦੇਖ ਲਓ ਬੱਚੇ into d is equal to 0. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਧਰ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਿਫਟ ਕਰਕੇ d ਕਾਮਨ ਲਿਆ ਤੇ 2a ਕਾਮਨ ਲਿਆ. So we will get 2a p minus q is equal to 2a into p minus q plus ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁਣ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਦੇਖਿਓ ਦੇ ਨੋਟ ਦਿਸ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਕੇਅਰਫੁਲੀ. ਸੋ p square minus q square ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਇਡੈਂਟੀਟੀ ਲਗਾਉਣੀ ਆ p minus q into p plus q, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਔਰ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਕਾਮਨ ਲੈਣਾ ਬੱਚੇ so this becomes a p minus q. So overall we will get p minus q is common. तो ਜਦੋਂ p minus q common ਆਊਗਾ ਬੱਚੇ overall ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਥੇ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਬਚ ਜਾਊਗਾ 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d, ठीक है जी, bracket close is equal to 0. So ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਦੇਖੋ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ p plus p minus q ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ that is not equal to 0 because p minus q is not equal to 0 because p is not equal to q, ठीक है जी. So this is the reason, that's why this term is cancelled out. So we will get 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d is equal to 0. other particular value बची. So at last एक कमी रह गई ਹੁਣ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ sp q ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਉਹ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ multiplying both sides by p plus q by 2. Multiplying both sides by p plus q by 2, so we will get this value like this. 0 into this is 0. So what is this? According to the formula, this is the formula of sp plus q. So as you see the value of this sum of p plus q terms is equal to 0. So this is the right answer बच्चे. ठीक है जी. So this is all about the questions of 10 questions of this exercise 9.2. So in next lecture we will do the next questions 11 onward. Okay ji. Okay, thank you so much.